Hi guys, good morning. This is Sadir from Metamechanics, and today I brought one more informative video for you, and it's regarding the Nissan petrol we received. It's 2018 model, 5.6 liter engine with a high pressure pump, and this car is having starting issues, and the codes are coming P0090 and P0087. So we are going to check the issue and what's going on with the car. The code P0090 is mainly related to the fuel high pressure pump, which is located right here. We'll open the stuff and we'll let you know. This is the high pressure pump, this one, okay, and this is the regulator along with it. Related to the fault code P0090, the fuel high pressure pump is faulty and you have to replace that. Along with the bucket, the lifter actually, when you will open it, I will show you that as well once it's open. There's a lifter bucket underneath, and also there's a camshaft on which it's running. Sometimes there can also be the problem with the camshaft as well, on which this pump is running, but that we can only check when it's open. Work is in progress. We opened the radiator as well because there was a leak issue as well, coolant leak from the car, from the thermostat housing and the radiator. So guys, here's the old pump which we removed from the car, and we are going to install a brand new pump.